I responded to an ad on Facebook Marketplace for two Freedom 12 kayaks made by Freedom Hawk. These are the actual pictures. This is what a Freedom 12 looks like. But when I got there, they turned out to be Pathfinder 14s. Um, I liked them so much, I bought them both. It's Kayak Friday. The guy told me they were 12 feet long. They're actually 14 feet long. And I got two of them. Freedom Hawk Pathfinder 14s. One of these is going for sale. The other one's going to be my toy. My latest acquisition. Freedom Hawk Pathfinder 14. I had to drive 200 miles to Rockport to pick this up. And there's my silly neighbor. But I got two of them. Turned out there was a firefighter in Fulton who passed away, and he had these in his storage, and I think it was his son-in-law. Well, I guess son-in-law and daughter. They were very happy that these are going to be restored and go to people who are really going to use them. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and what was funny was I thought they were Freedom 12s. They turned out to be Pathfinder 14s. I'll do an assessment here in a little bit. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see what kind of shenanigans. I think it's ready. Hey, it might be easier than I thought. Hold on this side. I just need help with the weight. No, it's pointless. Why the fuck is he selling them, man? He's selling for cheap. Turns out the assistant chief firefighter in Fulton passed away. They were his. We got them. All right, here we go. Freedom Hawk Pathfinder 14s. I got it on snap. That's why it's wobbly. I got storage inside the hatches. I'm gonna need to tie a string or something to these. Got water inside. Yeah, that's what it looks like when it's deployed. You can unscrew this and then take these pieces off, and that's a kayak on it in itself. You can see where these bars are kind of thin, so I think I'm going to rework these things out of 1/2-inch conduit. I got my little pipe bender and stuff. I think what I'll do is make this one where it kind of curves down a little bit, and I'll flatten it out. Yeah, but I don't see anything wrong with them. The bungees are all good. Let's see here where they were probably using these as for holding their fish. But yeah, these are pretty cool. Look, you pull this lever here. Yeah, I see some string in there. Maybe it's a stringer, I don't know. Pull this lever here and pontoons come out. And they can be this way. Oh, that one's in the way. You can set them this way to where it's like a big Y, or set them this way, and for while you're in motion. Yeah, these things have a little deal for tying them down, but I guess they never bothered to tie them down. Yeah, see, this one's missing the pin. This should be all the way through the handle. Freedom Hawk Pathfinder 14s. That's a little over $3,000 worth of kayak right there. But yeah, I'm gonna fix one of them to set it up. Fix one of them up to set it up for me. Maybe sell the other. Look, they got. How much you want to bet these are $1/4 for mounting a ram ball or something, or Scotty mount something? Very cool. But I don't really see anything that they need. And they did come with seats, but I'm probably going to put like a little platform here with a little boat seat, like a folding boat seat. Yeah, these things are, oh man, that is super steady. Freedom Hawk Pathfinder 14s. Hey, thanks for watching. More to come. Let me show you what it looks like with all of its parts in place. Got the stand-up or standing rail in place. Came with these little seats, but yeah, I'm probably not even going to use those. The pontoons, very cool. The rubber still feels good on these. There's a little rope inside there. Yeah, this turns that way for standing, or that way for moving. And they do snap. I like it. If you look at it facing this way, it looks like a crawfish. You look at it going the other way, it looks like a frog. Upgrades, mods, and setup videos to come. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.